Hello dear traders! The US dollar index continued to grow for the third consecutive week as it was expected. American macroeconomic data contributed to the dollar increase. On Tuesday, Consumer Confidence Index for July rose to its highest since October 2007 and amounted to 90.9 points. There was more positive data on Wednesday. US GDP for the second quarter boosted 4%. It is considerably higher than expected. Decline in GDP for the first quarter has been reviewed from -2.9% to -2.1%. The total growth of the American economy made up +1.9% in the first half of the year. That kept the discount rate at 0.25% and has reduced the QE3 program by 10 billion to 25 billion in monthly terms. Initial claims amounted to 302,000 on Thursday. Meanwhile, the average 4-week value of the indicator slipped to its low since April 2006. At the moment, the majority of investors believe that the first rate increase or further monetary policy tightening could occur in June 2015. The dollar index corrected downward last Friday. The labor market data for July happened to be a bit worse than expected, and it resulted in profit record after a strong rise. The EU data looked much weaker compared to the American economy recovery data. On Thursday, Consumer Price Index in June indicated a further reduction, increasing the deflation risk. For that reason, the talks about further ECB monetary policy easing renewed, which contributed to a further euro weakening. Less significant economic data will be released this week in the United States. We expect the publication of Industrial Production Index on Tuesday and Services PMI, and on Wednesday, the trade balance. The weekly American labor market data is issued on Thursday. On Friday, the data on wholesale inventories and the index of labor productivity are to be released. We believe that the majority of forecasts are considered to be positive. However, the economic data on other countries will also affect the dollar index dynamics. Particularly, retail sales will be released on Tuesday in the EU, and the ECB meeting will take place on Thursday. Rate changes are not expected, but investors will pay attention to the information of the following press conference. On Thursday and Friday, we expect the data release on industrial production and foreign trade in Germany. Note that important economic data for Canada, Australia, Japan, and the UK will also be published this week. You are watching Weekly Market Overview by IFC Market.